Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. All I want to do in this episode is just let you know that we have a massive Black Friday sale going on right now, specifically regarding the Tangem Wallet and Ring, as well as the Trezor Wallet. So let's take you through it. So, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We just launched a couple of new videos, 100x ADA picks, and then I also want to talk about, I did talk about the Cardano price action in a recent video. So if you guys have not already as well, you can type in Trezor or Tangem on the channel. I have unboxing videos. So I've received both of these products. I love them, and I always have them in my link tree. So if you guys click here on the channel where it says link tree, that will take you directly to the links to save you up to 20% off on the Tangem. And then you can also save up to 40% off on the Trezors. So this is the Tangem wallet. If you're someone who wants to use crypto and you're more mobile friendly, if you just want to use an app, have something in your wallet, this is the best way to go. The Tangem Ring is personally my favorite. I use it all the time. I love using that NFC. It's just awesome. And the fact that you save 20% off up until December 2nd. So take advantage. That's for the Trezor. That is for the Tangem. So you're really going to like that. As for the Trezor, they have massive sales as well. So you can save up to 40% off on a Trezor Model T, which is incredible. So guys, comment down below if you've been using any of these. And if you have any questions regarding these wallets, comment them down below. So definitely use those links. So again, we got Trezor, we got Tangem, and I have videos on how to set these wallets up, how to back them up properly, how to send, receive tokens. There's a lot going on the channel for you all. So guys, check out in the comment down below. I will have this link pinned. It's also on the channel profile. We also have online courses. Check it out. Just wanted to mention that to you all. If you currently hold your crypto on a centralized exchange, something like Coinbase or even crypto.com, you want to get that off and use cold storage. And I have videos talking about why you should do that. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.